landed at Kaman. How was the trip? Ganda.
Nice.
Yes.
I don't want to get off the plane.
Oh, yeah. Pabalik na siya dun.
Gusto ko balik pa ulit. Tapos pabalik na lang ulit ng Qatar. Kasi hindi ko na-enjoy yung TV kasi nakatulog ako.
Ay, oo, malayo yung P eh. Let's go. First sector done. Let's go. Happy time. Welcome back. Changi. Transferred to T4, but we're going to T1. So we need to clear immigration and get the bags. Yes, so we're back here again in Singapore just for transit. So we're moving to Terminal 1, so we have to claim the bags and clear the immigration. Ang galing, diba? Immigration.
Yeah.
They can detect the passport and then
Translate
to your language. And then we just have to take the bus again to T1. So maybe you will see the jewel because it's in front. Practice yarn. Yay! My bag is here. Let's go. So efficient, ah. So by 8:45. Oh. 8:45, sorry. 7:45. Let's go. By 8, nandun na tayo sa T1. Amazing. Wow. Ano tawag dito? SG. SG professional. Always here. Terminal 1 in Jewel. Still 8 in the morning and they allow us to unload because it's not very full. So hopefully we get the seats because I actually want to buy OPI and Jarski. Charles and meron, but actually I saw the wallet in T4 last time, but I think if they have the stocks here, excited. Wow, first time. How do you feel?
Sleep.
3:50 ata, so we will see which aircraft. Yee! Kaya pa? Hashtag cabin crew life.
Hashtag Eric Torres.
Okay. What's gate number? Oh, check.
Gate number D34.
Let's go. Terminal 1. I miss Terminal 1, but we don't have so much time. Sayang. Can't go to Charles and Keith. Yay. Finally. Hello. How was it? All good, right? Emirates and Qatar boarding. Antok na yan. How is your seat? Okay. So happy. Did you get? And headset. Yee! O, tingnan mo nga what's inside. Oh, meron ka ng bagong socks, eye mask, earplugs, I think you have also. We have to listen to safety demo. Seatbelt Grabe, I missed it. So happy. Yan. Let's see if they have a lot of movies. You can use either this. Ayan, press mo yan. Or touchscreen also. Oh, baby is crying. So 7 hours. Yes. The touchscreen it's so responsive. Ano kaya movie natin? Hollywood. Ken. Happy yan? So after we eat, you can sleep. Magkaiwalay na tayo ng kwarto. Then, later, again. Wow, nagsarado na siya ng kanyang So you can type there in the keyboard. You know why? Can I see? I think this one. No, it doesn't have. Yes, you can pay.
Yes, you can pay.
Some you can use it as a phone. You can pay using your credit card and call someone. That's why it's like this. What are you watching?
Infinity War, Avengers.
Waiting for food. Actually, they're already serving. What are you going to have? Depends. What is your drinks? Coffee. Ay, wala pa atang tea coffee sa unang after meal pa siya. Hilahin mo ulit. And then, balik mo. Yeah. Yes. So, lab check tayo. Okay naman. Grabe siya. Baka naman ibang aircraft lang yun. So, still standards inside and they have the EDT. So, yeah. Rooming check. Char. Ano ba to? Brunch service. Then sleep. Then, welcome to Doha. First service, bar service. So, what did you order? Mango, sure ba yan? Wala pang alcohol yan. Char. And they have salted nuts. So, while watching the movie and waiting for the meal. It's a prank. I'm not sure it's crackers. Usually, these are salted nuts, but they don't. So, let's try. It's like Christie's, I think. Wow. And I ordered apples. Okay, so first in-flight food of Ate LJ. What is that?
Rice noodles and beef.
Ito yun.
Yeah, beef.
This is the rice noodle.
Rice noodles.
Noodles.
And then
Oo.
there's also
Salad yan. Salad.
bread.
Bread.
Plan.
Dessert.
That's
Okay. And do you have any condiments? Like what's inside the white?
Here is the knife, the fork, spoon, and then yung kanina is yung salt.
Okay.
And
Okay, you try. Let's see
water.
lang.
Cold water.
You didn't take anything else to drink. That's it. You didn't like mango. Okay. Is it hot? That one. Wow, nice.
It's like tinapay.
Nyek, nyek, nyek. Good. Oh, you tried the noodles. Pag masarap, penge ah. Because the other option is chicken with potatoes and we don't like it without the rice. Is it good? So I will also try mine. On my end, I have my water, Chillda, nice. You have the refreshing towel. Oh, also chilled. Nice. We have the cutlery set. The dessert. Looks nice, nice packaging and hardware. Something. And I chose the spaghetti with coconut something. So for drinks, as much as I wanted to have the champagne, I have my child with me. She got parental guidance, so I just did the Coca-Cola. And of course, we have the bread. It's warm. So nice. Let's try it. Hey, I think I didn't make a mistake. I love it. Let's try. Ano yan?
Tastes like pandecoco.
Kapatid kong weirdo. Carbs ah. Good luck sa gym. Oy, mag-gym ka ha.
Coconut. Tastes like coconut eh. Like fried bread and coconut pandecoco.
Okay, so first we try the pasta. Ba't lasa ng pasta? Kakaiba siya. Kakaiba. vegetarian option, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you have stir also. Okay. And for me, I have the chicken sandwich with cupcake also. Water. I still have water. Morning, guys. Second service. And almost there. Almost.
Smells good, I know.
Taste agad. Did you sleep well? So comfy, right? Good? Oh, diba? 2 sugar. Knowing you. 2 milk, 2 sugar. Nice sleep. Thank you.
Slept for like 6 hours.
Oh, 6 hours. Look like this only 7 hours, no? 4 hours lang. 4. Still good. Ano yun? Ano yun? Vegetarian eh.
It's like bread with potato.
Because it's vegetarian. Oh, you want to try the, no? Chicken? You want to try? Oh, you try. Ikaw namili.
Tastes like curry.
Chicken curry. The vegetarian is like potatoes, right?
Tastes like
Ayaw mo pa naman, no? Akin na yan. Sige.
I think I'll go for the cupcake.
Okay, you try the cupcake. How about the tea? Okay? Tea is good.
Milk? Tea. Tea with milk. Then the plant-based cupcake, vegetarian.
Ano? Wala siyang sinabi plant. Joke. Plant-based. Oy, nakatulog na yan. Happy na siya. Kanina na kasi mangot na eh. Ooh, chocolate.
This one better.
Bon appetit! She doesn't like it. Let me try.
Look like it tastes like the one. That's all. It's not. Right? Tastes like everything in the world.
1 Charlie 8. Yay! We have landed at Hamad. How was the trip? Ate
Very
ganda.
nice.
Yes.
I don't want to get off the plane.
Oh,
Yeah.
pabalik na siya dun.
Gusto ko balik pa ulit, tapos pabalik na lang ulit ng Qatar. Kasi hindi ko na-enjoy yung TV kasi nakatulog ako.
She slept so well because she has one row for herself. So I'm glad that we transited to Singapore because in Malaysia the flight was so full. So
Everyone was sleeping peacefully.
yeah, they
They
closed the
were
windows,
sleeping
no?
peacefully.
Okay, we will try to clear the immigration now. Hopefully it's like Singapore also, no? Whee! Excited to see the camel. Okay, so before we go down, we have to see the bear. Actually, for departure, you can take a video. You can take a photo of the big bear. This is like the Hamad. Ano ba tawag yun?
Hamad International Airport.
Hamad, nakalimutan ko. Yan yung trademark. This is the trademark of Doha. So, bye-bye! Immigration. Eat. Let's go. Go. Galing mo na. Five pa lang. Eat. One down. Dulcie down. We're number 1 in the world. Nice soup. Ready. Let's go. So we'll take a trip.